Myself, Ashwin Bhaskaran. My topic is micro extrusion. Abstract. Micro extrusion is manufacturing process used to create small components with precise shapes and dimensions. This process involves forcing a material, typically a polymer, metal or ceramic, through a small opening or die to produce a product with a specific shape and size. The micro extrusion process is similar to traditional extrusion but on a much smaller size. A small amount of material is fed into a chamber containing a screw or plugger. The screw or plugger applies pressure to the material, forcing it through a small opening in a die, which shapes the material into the desired forms. The key advantage of micro extrusion is the ability to produce high precision components with a tight tolerance. This makes it particularly useful in the manufacturing of medical devices, electronics, and other smaller parts. Micro extrusion is a manufacturing process used to create small components with precise shapes and dimensions. This process involves forcing a material, typically a polymer, metal or ceramic, through a small opening or die to produce product with a specific shape and size. The micro extrusion process is similar to traditional extrusion but on a much smaller size. A small amount of material is fed into a chamber containing screw or plunger. The screw or plunger applies pressure to the material, forcing it through a small opening in a die, which shapes the material into desired forms. The key advantage of micro extrusion is its ability to produce high precision components with a tight tolerance. This makes it particularly useful in the manufacturing of medical devices, electronics, other smaller parts. Micro extrusion has several applications, including the production of catheters, needles, and other medical devices. Principle. The principle of micro extrusion is to force a material such as polymer, metal, or ceramic through a small opening die to create a product with a precise shape and size. The process of micro extrusion involves several key components. Material feed. The material is fed into chamber containing a screw or plunger. The amount of material used is typically small compared to traditional extrusion process. Compression zone. The screw or plunger applies pressure to the material, compressing it and creating a consistent flow. 3. Melting zone. The material is heated to temperature where it melts and can flow easily. Metering zone. The screw or plunger moves the molten material towards the die at a controlled rate, allowing for precise control over the volume of material that is intruded. 5. Die. The material is forced through a small opening in a die, which shapes the material into desired forms. Process. Like normal macro level extrusion, several similar micro extrusion processes have been described over the years. The most basic process were forward and backward micro extrusion. The ram and the billet both move in the same direction with forward micro extrusion, while in backward micro extrusion, as the ram and the billet moving in opposite direction. These in turns have been applied to specialized applications such as manufacturing of micro billet, brass micro pins, micro gears, shaft, and micro condensers. However, other processes have been applied to micro extrusion, including forward rod, backward cup extrusion, double cup extrusion. Description. Micro extrusion refers to a specialized manufacturing process used to create small parts or structures with extremely precise dimensions. In this process, a small amount of material such as plastic or metal is forced through a very narrow opening or die under high pressure to produce a continuous stream of material with a consistent cross section. Micro extrusion is typically used in the production of small, intricate components for various industries such as medical devices, microelectronics, and aerospace. Document used for the micro extrusion is highly specified and consisting of machine that is specifically designed to handle small amount of material with high precision. The die used in the process is also highly specified. Application. Micro extrusion has a wide range of application in various industries. First one, medical devices. Micro extrusion is used to manufacture small parts such as catheters, stents, and implants. These medical devices requires high precision and accuracy to ensure that they function properly. Second one, microelectronics. The electronics industry uses micro extrusion to produce wires, cables, and connectors for various devices such as smartphones. Third one, aerospace. Micro extrusion is used in production of small component of aerospace application, including parts for satellite communication, sensors, and actuators. Fourth one, automotive. Micro extrusion is used to manufacture small components for vehicles such as fuel injection system, sensors and connectors. Fifth one, industrial application. Micro actuation is used in various industrial applications such as microfluids, micro optics and micro robotics. Thank you.